Said love and greetings, y'all. This is your boy Crypto Sniper back again with another one. Here to introduce another passive income website, which is a smart contract. Yes, passive income, that is. You know how we do it over here. And like I always say, thanks for checking me out, and do remember to please like and subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And always remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just here giving you an updates and reviews on the passive systems that I'm involved in. So with that being said, let's take it ahead. Welcome to our Solo Farm system, comprised of Solar Farm Miner, Solar Farm Token, Solar Pad, and Solarverse. You heard that? The solar system is building a robust ecosystem of metaverse-centric products that features stress-tested tokenomics. Don't wait. Come on, join the fastest growing community in the decentralized finance. They have their Telegram group here, which you can check it out. Ask any questions that you may have. Solarfarm.finance. And this is a mining system, if I didn't mention that. And also they have their Twitter page, Solar Farm Miner. They have about 11,000 followers so far. Looking good. Their latest update was about 10 hours ago. So Shooting Stars, a limited time event exclusive to Solar Farm V2. During this event, users will be able to purchase solar panels up to 50% off. Hyper deflationary panels. 24-hour duration. 50 panel reduction to sell penalty. They have their Discord group, TikTok, oh no, what I just did here.
Hey, it's Mabel. You can hang out in my place for a bit.
They have a GitHub link here,
Just let me know if you see anything interesting.
but I'm not going to show you this one. I know. Let's dig a little deeper in here. Our own original take on miner concept, introducing innovative ideas such as fresh value and a solar guard furnace system featuring stackable compound bonus that allow you to bolster your panel count, protecting our users from the inherent volatility of miners through a dynamic dampener system, the most advanced miner release to date. Yo, this is hot. This is a contract address here on the BNB network, built around three key assets: BNB, solar panel, and power. Deposit BNB in exchange for panel. Your panel will go to work earning power, earning you up to 14.3 a day. Follow advanced compounding strategy to further amplify your daily ROI. Solar Farm Token serves as a native token, and yes, they have a token on the BNB network also, guys. So this is not just a miner. The Solar Farm serves as a native token on the solar system. Our token is designed to primarily support the miner through tax deposit into the TVL. Additionally, marketing funds. The solar farm token will also be used to enter into our Solarverse casino as well. Yo, this is hot, yo. Yo, y'all don't miss out on this one. Dictate launchpad allocations by accepting both BNB and solar farm token as casino entry deposit. We create a soft peg between the price of BNB and the quantity of solar farm tokens. Yo, this is hot, yo. Hope y'all don't miss out on this one. The Solarverse is our highly anticipated solar farm metaverse. Interact with your solar farm miners in the Solarverse and test your luck over at the Solarverse Casino with all your favorite classic games, compound, deposit BNB, or deposit solar farm tokens to gain access. Through our solar farm miner, our solar farm token were created the fairest and the most exciting launchpad there is. Strike your luck in the casino and be treated to a juicy whitelist. Don't have much capital? Compound your way up the rank to hold enough panels to earn a whitelist spot. All fair in the Solarverse. Yo, this is a hot project. I don't hear much people talking about this one, but let's continue. I'm gonna show you what the back page or the back wall look like here. This is the thing we read just now about saving up to 50%. So far I have about 448 panels. I started with about 250 panels. Wasn't much, but I'm just compounding by the hour. So every so often I come in here and I compound. They also have referral bonuses here. You can refer somebody and you earn, I think, up to 10%. We'll find that in a minute though. But yeah, it's a solar farm. Best project around right now. I think it's here to stay. Okay, this is what I was showing you guys earlier, the KYC certificate on GitHub. We have successfully completed identity verification, and this was done on May the 2nd, 2022. I don't think this project is that old either. I would say it's about 2 or 3 months old, or it could be longer. It's the BKit contract address here on Etherscan. Sorry. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to read up a little bit more about this project so you can have an idea of what your investment would look like, just in case you want to invest something in this here. Okay. This platform is called Solar Farm V2, which gives us an initial daily return of up to 14.28%. If we invested $500, we will be getting back $71 in expected return per day, Yo, this is massive. $500, 14.28% equal $71.40. This equals to $2,142 per month. Doesn't this sound great, guys? I haven't invested anything as yet, but this person is saying that I personally invested $430 and now I'm getting back $47 a day. On the average, that's 10.2% on a return. And there's their proof. Say total sold 4.5086 BNB. This miner has been operating for 24 days. Till date, have only gotten 0.6 BNB in referral, which does not have a heavy impact on my panel value. Like she said, she did that and it brought her back $47 a day. And yes, Solar Farm V2 TVL has came down quite a bit from its peak at 1,120 BNB. However, I am only finding myself compounding it a couple times more to keep my panels up. That's like I told you guys, just keep compounding and keep your panel value up. Do keep in mind that our daily return will fluctuate depending on the increase and decrease in Solar Farm TVL. We should only invest if we are bullish on TVL. What is Solar Farm? Solar Farm V2 is a BNB crypto miner which lives on the Binance Smart Chain. Before connecting our wallet, we must be on this network because its simplicity. MetaMask come highly recommended for Solar Farm V2. We expect initial daily return of up to 14.28%. We build solar panels with BNB. These panels will be utilized to generate power that is equivalent to BNB. Prior to selling, make sure that the minimum necessary compound count of 16 is met. Be sure you compound up to 16 times before you start selling. I advise reaching the maximum 15% compound bonus with 30 counts first. She's recommending 30 counts. It's also highly recommended to read about the 3 penalty mechanism. Yes, those penalty that they have there. You gotta read it and check it out if you do decide to get into this project. Once again, guys, this one is about Solar Farm Finance. It's a mining crypto company. Please do your own due diligence and check this out. I will be posting a link in the description below if you want to check it out. That will be my referral link. Thank you for checking out this video. I appreciate you and have a God blessed day. Love you, man.